Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI. What I have here is a really cool and fun toy for your kid. This is the Million Warriors Battle Pack. It comes with 35 of the warriors. As you can see, I have them here in this upper chamber, and it's really easy to use. All you do is slide this over to deliver a warrior inside here, which you can see he's sitting right in there. And then this here launches him into the danger zone. So this is really fun. My son loves the individual warriors. They come individually packed, and he loves to play with them. He loves to see all of the different guys. He loves to see if he got one of the gold guys. And so if your son loves little toys, then I would say this is perfect. And this, of course, has the launcher, this is the battle one, but they also have a lot of just the warrior packs, if that's what you're looking for. So this is really fun. The guys are really funny looking. They're all different. And we like to go ahead and check them off the list as we get them. And that's my point of view.